Assalamu alaikum. How are you, students? I hope you all of you will be fine. Uh, Today our lecture is lecture number 8, and our topic is significant figures. First of all, we will define the significant figures. The significant figures are the numbers of digits in a value, often a measurement that contribute to the degree of accuracy of the value. We start counting significant figures at the first non-zero digit. Rules to find the significant figures. Actually, when you see a mathematical value or mathematical figure of numbers, then one thing comes to your mind, that how many particular significant figures in a value there are. So there are some rules to find the significant figures. Number 1, all non-zero numbers are significant. For example, we have a value 456 or 456. In this value, all the digits are non-zero. You can see it. The first digit is 4, second is 5, and the third is 6. So there are 3 significant figures in this value. There are 3 particular numbers, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 3 significant figures in this value. Now we move to the next rule to find the significant figures. Zeros between the two non-zero digits. Zeros between the two non-zero digits are significant. For examples, we have a value 9087. You can see that there are 4 particular figures, 9, 0, 8, and 7, and 0 is between two non-zero digits. 0 is between 9 and 8, which are non-zero digits. In this value, 0 is placed between two non-zero digits, so there are 4 significant figures in this value. 0 is counted, remember one thing, 0 is also counted as a significant figure in this value. So there are 4 significant figures in this value. Next rule, leading zeros are not significant. For example, if you write a value like 0195, there will be 3 significant figures, 1, 9, and 5. The leading zero over here is not a significant figure. In this value, 0 is leading the other digits, so it will not be a significant figure, and there are 3 significant figures in this value. There is another example of this. We have a value 0.0056. There are 2 significant figures in this value, so the 3 zeros at the front which are leading this value are not considered as significant figures. Next, trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. Trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. For example, 450, I think leave this. We are moving towards this example, 32.00. As it is obvious from the rule, trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant. So to the right of the decimal there are 2 zeros, 32.00. There are 4 significant figures in this value, because our rule says that trailing zeros to the right of the decimal are significant, and the example is 32.00, and there are 4 significant figures. 3 is significant figure, 2 is the significant, this 0 and this 0 both are significant figures. I think the idea would have been clear to you that what significant figures are in physics. Now we are moving towards the homework. Write this topic on your notebooks and you are going to find the number of significant figures in the following values. There are 5 values which are given to you and you are going to find the number of significant figures in each of the value. The first one is 0.005, second is 9302, the next is 490, and fourth one is 34.00, and the last but not the least is 0.501. I hope that the idea of significant figures would have been clear to you, and the lecture is ended. Thank you so very much.